Okay, let me know once you guys can hear me. My thing just started now. It took so long. Okay guys, so SPX USD, let's just go over it quickly. Futures fell on the NFP here. We are trading near 3,700. I'm just gonna give you guys one level that's possible today right off the back. All right, and let's just go over the 5-minute action first. Let's go to the 5-minute reaction. Obviously, market dumped all the way from 3750 plus all the way towards 3700. That's a bad thing. That's a huge dump. All right, the question is, do we reverse back up today or do we go continue lower? And what I have for you guys, I'm gonna go over SPX. So we're trading at 3700 right now. Let's go on the daily chart. Let's go on the daily chart. Thank you, KB. So we're on the daily chart right here, and the level that I see today happening, believe it or not. All right, now maybe I'm saying this, but maybe I will play this completely opposite depending on the market updates at that time. But today, if we hold under 3700 and we test 3680, there is a very good chance we go towards 3620 by the end of the day. All right, so just keep that in mind. And obviously above 3700, there's a possibility of even 3800 if put options come off, but there's not a lot of put options to come off for this market to rally too much, right? Sorry, there's not enough calls for the market to rally higher, right? But there are some put options. If only they're closed or anything happens, the market can maybe go up. All right, but the 3700, 3750, 3680 zone is going to be tough. But under 36, if we test 3680, just keep that in mind. 3620 is possible by the end of the day. All right, just keep that in mind. And we also a gap fill right here near 3670ish, and we'll see how this goes. But this can just come down today unless we reverse. And if we go back towards 3800, I would probably lean bullish towards next week. That's if we get there. All right, and let's just go over the rates first. US 10-year rates. US 10-year rates. What do we say? What do we say about this? Right, I did not remove my drawing here, but we spoke about this. If this dip happens to be it, and then we reverse back up from 3.5, and now if we take out the highest low of the year comes on SPX, this will be one of the reasons for it. DXY, same thing, similar, right? A nice little pattern, and even these triangles are in from the last few days, and now we're reversing back up. Same pattern has been holding until this uptrend fails. Not much. USD JPY is near all-time highs. Oh wow. Near all-time highs. It wants to break above. Let's see what happens here. Euro USD trading under a buck par, a nice little downtrend, very clear downtrend, and let's see if it takes out the minute low of the year or if it doesn't. Amazon 120 is a massive level. 120 is a massive resistance level. Let's see what happens today if it comes down or goes towards 120. Right, Tesla, a lot of negative gamma. If the market flushes, this will lead. If the market flushes, this will lead. All right, and this can go down a lot. All right, and the same day, this was a fast move from 315 to all the way here. But if the market is green, if it holds, there could be a banner rally in Tesla. All right, if the market holds, Tesla may rally due to heavy put positions. All right, again, market weak may lead to downside. So we really have to see which way the market wants to go in order for us to really play this properly. All right, and I would be very patient with it. I would not rush it, trying to jump ahead before anything else. All right, Apple 145 trading at 142 right near the gap. If this takes the low of the year, it just gets worse. It's gonna go waterfall again to the lows, right? And what else we have? TLT bonds. Let's just quickly look at them. Near low of the year, just ugly. UB Treasury bonds are live. Let's watch these. So these dipped. I think they took a dive on that number. Pretty sure. That's why SPX came down so much. Yep, massive dive, and this is actually trading near the low of the year. That's what's concerning. And if we take out the low of the year again one more time, then there's a huge flush possible in the market, right? NDX at the same time, similar chart. What is holding here? As long as if this trades under 11,000, this is NDX. Right, a part of NQ. If we trade under 11,000, low of the year is in play. All right, so these levels must hold. BTC USDT, Bitcoin USDT. I'm telling you guys, if 19,000 breaks this time, if 19K breaks, I cannot trade futures. I wish I could. If 19K breaks, possible low of the year comes, guys, and my stop loss would be 19,500. So 500 risk. versus maybe $2,500 plus rewards. That's what I would be. That's how I would make this play if I was to play. All right, and if it reverses back above 20, obviously it's a lot of strength, right? And actually above 2,500 is strength. That means it probably wants higher, and then we have CPI next week, and we see what the market gives us then. All right, and just pay attention on SPX today. I'm gonna give a lot of. I think I might have some good trades today. The volatility is there today. There will be volatility, so pay attention. Let's see, and I'll see you guys where today. Where do I see you guys? We will see you guys at my _stock_live Twitter spaces. We will be live, so make sure